Hello, my smart students. Today we are going to start a new chapter 3. Who are we? First, we will start with picture graph or pictograph, the same meaning. Let's watch the video.
Today, let's learn about another way of data presentation called pictograph in this flower farm. A pictograph gives information with pictures or symbols.
Look at the flower farm. Simi collected 5 flowers. Sanya collected 7 flowers. And Suzanne collected 4 flowers from the farm. When we write the number of different objects in a given group, we call it data. The data given in the flower farm example can be represented as follows. This data can also be represented by drawing pictures. It is called a pictograph. We should be able to collect information from a pictograph by reading it. Every pictograph has 1. A title which tells us what the pictograph is about. 2. Pictures which tell us the given number of objects. 3. Labels which tell us what kind of data is shown. 4. The key which tells us the number each picture is equal to. Now, let us see how we can read this pictograph of the flower farm example. The title, Flowers Collected, tells us the pictograph is about the number of flowers collected. The labels give us the information of who collected the flowers. The key tells us that each flower picture is equal to 1 flower. Hence, from the pictograph, we can say Simi collected 5 flowers. Sanya collected 7 flowers. And Suzanne collected 4 flowers.
A picture graph. A picture graph is a type of graph that uses pictures to show information. This information is called data. Okay, now open your student's book, page 43. You will find the title is Our Pets. Our Pets. Okay, and you will see the table. Inside the table, you can read here birds, cats, and fish. Okay, in the bottom, you will find small rectangle. Inside it, we can read each picture equal 1 pet. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 birds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 cats. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 fish. Okay, this is what we call picture graph. Picture graph consists of title, our pets. This is the title of the picture graph. Birds, cats, and fish. We call them labels. We call them labels. Beside every label, we have pictures. Okay? Beside birds, the label of birds, I have picture of birds. Beside the label of cats, I have picture of cats. Beside the label of fish, I have a picture of fish. And in the bottom, I have the small rectangle. I call it the key box. This is the key box. Now, let's try to solve this activity. Write the number for how many of each pet. How many birds do you see in the picture graph? Let's count together. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 birds. Okay. How many cats do you see in the picture graph? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 cats. Okay. Now, how many fish I have in the picture graph? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 fish. From where I get these data? From where I get these data? From the picture graph. Okay. Now draw the correct symbol. Less than, greater than, or equal to. The number of the birds is space the number of the cats. Do you remember the number of the birds? Yes, excellent. The number of the birds was 6. The number of the cats was 4. So the number of the birds is greater than the number of the cats.